Today we're gonna do another video. I'm Mikaella, guys. Since it's vacation, I'm gonna help my mom to cook adobo. We're gonna cook chicken adobo, hey! So first ingredient is chicken. And it's an important ingredient, guys. Next is garlic. Next is onions. Next is salt and pepper and sugar. We need sugar, guys, to make it a little bit of sweetness. Next is 1 cup of water. Next is soy sauce. Next is vinegar. Next is a little bit of fish sauce. Next is cooking oil, so we can saute the adobo. So we're gonna start, guys, and mix them all. Let's go. Whoop. So guys, I already put the chicken, soy sauce, and vinegar. Next ingredient is this one: sugar, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna do it last time, guys. Oh my gosh, you just heard that, guys. The sugar's melting. Oh my gosh, the salt just stuck. Come on, salt. The salt just wanna go. Come on, salt. The salt doesn't wanna go, guys. There you go. Okay, sayang. Okay, there you go. Now time to mix it. Mix it up. Smash. So guys, we're gonna leave it for 5 to 8 minutes, guys, and we're gonna cover this one. Okay. So guys, I will be back, guys, on 5 minutes to 8 minutes. So guys, see you in there, which is we're gonna cook now after the 5 minutes to 8 minutes. So guys, I'll see you there. We're gonna start cooking now, guys. We're gonna heat the pan, and you make sure you have a dog for this, guys, because it's very dangerous. And my mom's gonna help me. First up, put the cooking oil. Nice. The oil, there it is. And next we're gonna saute the onions. Oh God! That scares me and hurts my ears. Gotta mix that up, Oh yeah, sense. Ooh. So my mom is helping me, of course, very dangerous. You can see her hand right over there. I'm gonna smash that. It smells so good already. If we cook this, guys, it smells good already. With all that onions. Oh my gosh, that's a good smell. Next, we're gonna put the garlic. All that, all that. Oh my God, it smells so good. Gosh, look at that. Oh, yummy. So guys, we're just gonna wait a little bit now while mom's doing this. Okay. Oh gosh, mom, you can do that? Gosh, I was going to say that. Wow! Next is the fish sauce. Put a little bit more, because we don't want to be so fishy, saucy. There you go. Smells so good. Oh my gosh, my cat's meowing. Yeah, Milky said it smells good. Milky! I can a day. So we are already putting the chicken. It has been like 8 minutes already. Okay. Put all that, Ma. Ooh. Smells delicious, guys. This is how you cook yummy adobo. And it's my favorite, guys. It's my favorite food. Yum. See my hand. Nice. Put all that bad boy chicken. What am I talking about? You can see the oil, guys. We're gonna cover it in 1 minute. Oh, I can see the smoke. Waiting, guys, for the adobo. Oh gosh.
They're cute. What is the thing? You smell the goodness of the adobo?
So we're gonna keep sauteing the chicken for 5 minutes more. I feel the hotness. Mmm, smells so good. So now, guys, we're done sauteing the chicken. Now we're gonna put the liquid ingredients. Here it is. Mom's pouring it. Oh my gosh, see my mom's hand. Ooh. Now, there you go. It's cooking now. Can you see the fire here? It's so hot, guys. I can feel the hotness. That's my. And now, guys, we're gonna cook now. I'll see you there. Whoop. So now, guys, we're gonna wait it to boil. Smells so good. So now, guys, it's boiling. We're gonna lower the fire. And yes, below. So now, guys, we're gonna leave it for 10 to 12 minutes. Smells good.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you're gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? Doesn't have to be a snowman. Go away, Anna. Okay, bye. Do you want to build a snowman? Ride our bikes around the halls. I think the company is over. We started talking to the pictures of the wall. Hang the junk. It gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking, where have you been? To stay up courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman?